What's up? How you doing? Here I am again. This time we have one beautiful Harman Kardon CD 401 3-head silver ultra wideband linear phase cassette deck, whatever that means, but sounds great. 3-head 2-motor full logic uniplane transport. I like those names for the functions. And some of you would probably think this deck is in working condition, but it's not. It's just working because the Harman Kardon, you know, even if it's broken, Harman Kardon will still work. Just kidding. What's the problem here? First thing that I notice, of course, is the counter is, I think this middle digit is kinda not working properly. Let's see, I know that something is wrong with the counter. I think we're gonna see it now. Instead of 8, it's gonna be A. Not bad. Instead of 8, we have 8. So the bottom one is missing. Yeah. The bottom one is missing. That's the one obvious problem. The other problem is the rewind is not working, and fast forward, like, it's very slow, which means the belt is gone, but still the main belt is looks like it's still working. You can hear the tape is playing. This is beautiful device. This cassette is a little bit dim, so you can see there is a light, backdoor light. It's kind of a little bit mechanic, so you need to choose bias and equalization type of the tape, metal, chrome 2, fair chrome, LN, that's probably normal, and also for the equalization. And we have some electronics like memory counter, reset, electronic auto search. That would be kind of neat that time. Of course, microphone inputs, all those real vintage cassette decks, they have microphone inputs. Bias fine trim. All those buttons are like so heavy and nice to touch, and knobs nice to twirl, and yeah, the old vintage electronics. And yeah, we have matter ballistics. You can choose slow or normal peak meter. Now it's kind of slow, and now it's kind of normal. On electronic music you can see better. Now we are playing some jazz, but you can still see that it's a little bit slower. Yeah. Auto, rewind, replay, repeat, of course. Those are the major functions of this cassette deck: bias tone and record calibration tone. See the bias tone. And then we have also small hole for record calibration levels. Of course, tape monitor button. And then we have to choose Dolby on and off, type BC, HX Pro turned on and off. While recording, this lamp would be red. Yeah, look at that. Yeah. The thing is, some of the buttons are like sticky. You have timer, off, record, play, and of course record knob, huge, right and left channel. Great, really great, good looking cassette deck. So the major problem is when you try to record onto just bias, it's getting messy, which means that something inside needs to be fixed. And I found one video on on YouTube, recapping Harman Kardon CD 401 Inside Out Electronics. So shout out to that video. The guy really took good care of his Harman Kardon, and actually what he did, he recapped, replaced the capacitors in this unit like a 20 or something, and after that everything was working fine. So I'm really not sure if this is the problem with this one. And as you can see, you can play it back, you can try to record it, and you will hear some hiss or something. It's not as it should be, and I think the quality of the playback will improve after all that job. But the deck is working. You can hear it playing back tapes. I said like a fast forward and rewind, it's very slow, and I believe it's the belt issue. It's very slow, really, yeah, but it's still working. That's very interesting, and it's beautiful, beautiful device, really. Look at that beauty. Okay, that would be it. I'm gonna probably use this video when I'm selling it, so the next person knows exactly what's wrong with this unit, and visually it looks very good for its age. I think it's very good for its age. They're not, I don't see some deep scratches or something. I think it's more like it needs a lot of cleaning. Yeah. Beautiful. All right, take care.